However, I'm mindful of the charges the accused persons are facing, and I'm also mindful of the procedure under the law of cases that can be reconciled upon. I advise the complainants, if they're not interested in further pursuing this matter, to liaise with the representative of the DPP, and the file is forwarded to the DPP for possible withdrawal under the provisions of Section 121 of the LC. Considering the provisions of 160, I'm inclined to enter a reconciliation in this matter. However, I'll proceed to deliver my ruling on the bail application. Bail is premised on the presumption of innocence, and for court to grant or not to grant bail, it considers whether the accused persons have a fixed place of abode and whether, if released, they will be able to return. 2 is whether the accused persons are provided sureties who are able and ready and willing and understand their duties to stand surety for the accused persons. A1 presented his biological mother, his brother, and a friend as sureties. There was no objection of the sureties of A1 by the state. I also find these sureties that were presented by A1 substantial. X2 presented his sister, biological, and 2 friends who have been friends with him for over 18 years. Though the state attorney objected to the sureties, I find them substantial. They are aware of their duties, and they also know the residence of the accused person, and they all reside within the same vicinity with the accused person. I find the sureties for X2 also substantial. I also find that the sureties presented for both accused persons reside within the same locality that is within Machinga division, and that is within this court's jurisdiction. I find that they will be able to perform their duties as sureties. In the circumstances, I allow the application for bail. However, considering the nature of the case the accused persons are facing, I am putting the following conditions that the accused persons must abide with. Conditions for bail is 1. Each of the accused persons are released on cash bail of 1 million shillings. 2. The sureties are bonded at 5 million shillings each. Each of the sureties for each of the accused persons, non-cash. 3. The accused persons are not allowed to leave the country without express permission of court. If they intend to leave the country, they have to seek permission of court. 4. The accused persons are warned from any interference with the victims or their workplace, whether verbally or through social media. And such attack, if proved, shall lead to automatic cancellation of bail. Those are the conditions for bail. If you meet the conditions above, the matter will come for nation. Continue to January. That's ample time to conclude the processes.
Mbanjulira aba AK Furniture abakugu mu kukola entebe mu buli design yonna gy'oyagala, ebitanda ne furniture yenna ow'omulembe ate nga muwangaazi. Kuba ku namba z'essimu z'olaba wansi awo, ku internet banonye ku AK Furniture oba basange e Mulago Kubiri opposite Shell ne ku workshop yawe esangibwa ku Sapolo Kaggwa Road mu Kampala. Kuba ku namba z'essimu z'olaba wansi awo, ku internet banonye ku AK Furniture oba basange e Mulago Kubiri opposite Shell ne ku workshop yawe esangibwa ku Sapolo Kaggwa Road mu Kampala.
Peter Ali Moses, marketing manager wa Tete Business Solutions. We deal in printing, branding, and general supplies. Tukola signages, tukola corporate wear, uniforms, n'ebintu bingi. Bino byonna bye mulaba mu dduuka. Zino samples. Buli kyolaba kyonna tulina stores. Tukola bintu bingi. N'abasinga bamanyi tukola printing and branding only. Naye tukola bingi, tulina departments ezirimu civil engineering, ezirimu installations, mechanical installations, n'ebirala. Tuli located at Lighthouse Arcade behind Charm Towers, C12. Era bw'otuuka ku C12 obupande waffe wonna oba obulaba.
Amannya nze Nsuuga Mustafa, nkola ne Ali Hira Holdings Uganda Limited. Tuli bakozi ba biodigester wamu n'okuzimba okw'enjawulo. Tuli mu kizimbe kya commercial kwegamba kale arcade mu lulimi olumpimpi. So olwaleero tuli waneeno nga tuli mukola biodigester. Ekyenjawulo ekiriwo nti yo eri mu basement wakati okusinziira nga bulijjo abantu mu kiraba ti eno parking lot. So eri wansi eri parking lot eri mu basement. Leero tukoze size y'abantu 5 ng'era erina capacity okusavinga ekizimbe kino kyonna nga wekinaabeera. Waneeno ng'era emigaso gya bulijjo gya biodigester tebagenda kunuunamu. Atwetaaze ku namba z'essimu 07017669992 ne MTN 0789224230 enamba ezo zonna kwe ziri ku WhatsApp. Abantu bafadde batulaba embe mu videos enkadde badde nga batumanyidde Kololo, Prince Charles Drive, naye kati twavaayo twala omukisa guno mubagambe nti nno twavaayo kati twadda ku Grand Imperial Hotel, room 28 first floor. So twavaayo, enamba zaffe ez'essimu zonna zikyaliko nga bulijjo, just nti twakyusa location.